everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our June Full Bloom card making kit. So first of all, we've got a packet of collectibles. We have got 10 cards and envelopes from Kaisercraft. We have got some Uniquely Creative gold pearls, which are very unique and beautiful. We have got some beautiful thick double-sided satin ribbon. And we have the Full Bloom paper pad by Kaisercraft. I'll just give you a quick flick through that. And of course we have got the cards that Tanya has designed. So if you open this up, you have got all the cards there to copy. They're at the exact same sizes. Let's take a look at the gorgeous cards that Tanya has designed for us this month. So this one, as it says, it is beautiful. Thinking of you. Really just unique ones you can stick in your stash. Or if you've got one of our happy birthday dies or stamps, you could just put that sentiment on there instead. So really just fun cards that you could give anyone, any age, well, females realistically, but they are super gorgeous. That is our card making kit for this month, and if you put this card next to this one on here, it's the exact same measurement. So if you measure from here to here, it's the same as from here to here. So you just follow those, and then there's 6 to start with, and you can make many, many more with these kits. You can buy them on our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au, and they're just $25. Thanks, guys.